Juicing has become a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle for many people, and this Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer is designed to make that process both more efficient and enjoyable. With a focus on extracting the maximum nutritional value from fruits and vegetables, this cold-press juicer offers a variety of features aimed at making your juicing experience as smooth and beneficial as possible. Whether you're a seasoned juicer or someone just beginning their health journey, the Amzchef Masticating Juicer is a powerful and versatile tool that can become an essential part of your kitchen routine. In this detailed review, we'll explore what makes this juicer stand out and why it may be the right choice for you. The standout feature of the Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer is its 7-segment spiral system, which ensures maximum juice yield with minimal oxidation. This slow juicing process helps retain more of the nutrients and enzymes found in fruits and vegetables, making your juice not only fresher, but also healthier. Unlike traditional high-speed juicers that generate heat and cause oxidation, the Amzchef uses a cold press method. This method crushes the ingredients at a slow pace, allowing the juice to maintain its nutritional integrity. If you're health conscious and want to ensure that you're getting the most out of your fruits and vegetables, the Amzchef Juicer's upgraded spiral system is a significant advantage. This spiral system is particularly effective at extracting juice from fibrous produce like ginger, celery, and leafy greens, which can be difficult for other juicers to handle. Whether you're making green juice for a detox or a refreshing glass of orange juice, you'll appreciate the consistent performance of the Amzchef Juicer. One of the most appealing features of the Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer is its multi-purpose functionality. Unlike traditional juicers that are limited to extracting juice, the Amzchef can also be transformed into a meat grinder or a slicer shredder. This versatility makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen, saving you the need for multiple appliances. The ability to use the juicer for other tasks opens up a world of culinary possibilities. You can use it to grind meat for homemade burgers or sausages, or attach the slicer shredder for preparing vegetables for salads and stir-fry. This multifunctionality makes the Amzchef Juicer an all-in-one solution for many of your kitchen needs. Common problem with juicing is the oxidation that occurs when the juice is exposed to air. This can cause the juice to lose some of its nutritional value and freshness. The Amzchef Masticating Juicer solves this problem with its slow masticating process, which helps to reduce oxidation and preserve the juice's nutritional content. This feature is especially important if you're someone who likes to prepare your juice in advance. The slow masticating system ensures that your juice stays fresh and nutrient-rich for longer periods. This is particularly beneficial for those who are constantly on the go and need to prepare their juice ahead of time. The Amzchef Juicer is also designed to separate the juice from the pulp effectively, ensuring that you get a higher purity juice with less pulp and sediment. This results in a smoother, more enjoyable drinking experience, with all the health benefits intact. Nobody wants to struggle with a complicated assembly process when they're eager to get started with their juicing. Thankfully, the Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer is designed with easy assembly in mind. The parts are straightforward to put together and take apart, making setup and cleanup a breeze. Additionally, the juicer is equipped with intelligent protection chips to help prevent the machine from getting stuck. The reverse function is particularly useful for this, as it allows you to clear blockages without having to disassemble the entire unit. This feature also makes cleaning easier, as you can reverse the juicer to help remove any remaining bits of produce. Cleaning the juicer is relatively simple, thanks to the included cleaning brush. Most of the parts are made from high-quality, food-grade materials that are easy to wipe down or rinse off after use. However, it's important to avoid exposing the juicer to strong acids, such as from an excessive amount of citrus fruits, to maintain the longevity of the machine. When investing in a kitchen appliance, durability is always a concern. Fortunately, the Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer is built to last. Made from high-quality BPA-free materials, this juicer is both sturdy and reliable, providing you with peace of mind when it comes to its longevity. To back up their product, Amzchef offers a 2-year warranty on the motor, along with a 2-year warranty on accessory exchanges. This generous warranty demonstrates the brand's confidence in the quality of their juicer and ensures that you'll be covered in case of any issues. Final thoughts. The Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer is a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use appliance that can elevate your juicing game to a whole new level. With its upgraded spiral system, multi-purpose functionality, and focus on preserving nutrition and freshness, this juicer is a great investment for anyone looking to improve their health through juicing. Whether you're making juice for yourself, your family, or as part of a larger meal prep routine, Amzchef Juicer delivers excellent results every time. Plus, with its durable construction and reliable customer support, you can trust that this juicer will serve you well for years to come. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.